Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I pretty much do the same boring stuff with my hair every single day, but I've really been wanting to mix it up lately. So something that's been helping me to do that are these Frenchies hair pins. My husband is always telling me how much he loves it when I wear my hair in an updo, but I rarely wear my hair like that. It has been so frustrating for me to get my hair to stay in place because my hair tends to be really fine, silky, and soft, so it just falls out of whatever style I try to put it in. That is where the velvet flocking on these hairpins is such a game changer to me. I start off using a little bit of dry shampoo or a texturizing spray in my hair, and that technique in combination with these pins has made my updos nearly immovable. I have found them so easy to use, and I feel really inspired lately to try some new styles with my hair. When it comes to updos, these pins totally kick bobby pins to the curb. I don't think I will ever be using bobby pins for updos ever again. The quality and the versatility of these hairpins is unlike anything that I've ever used before. But that's just my point of view.